So good to see everyone. Good thing that MOTackle's had us for the day. So big thanks to Mo for putting this on. It's something a bit different to the average fish talk. So on the Source podcast and Fishing World, the seafood section, what we do, it's all about trying to get people interacting with fish post-catch. You know, we get so much content on catching fish and how easy it is, or what you need to get and the bits and bobs you need to catch it. And quite often, once you got your photo, it's sort of everything after that is second. Whereas I'd like to change the culture a bit around, hey, let's look after this fish. It's not like, oh, we caught fish, now let's get the next bite. It's let's look after this fish and do whatever we can to go into a restaurant and be like, wow, I can produce something that's there. On a small fish particularly, it's classic, and I just laid the fish on top of it. A nice neat cut here. May look like a bit of an odd shape to cook, but it's
very top of the shoulder up here, because they've got more sinew in them. When we were sashimi, if we were doing sashimi from snapper, we'll do it on more of an angle across the grain.
wrap at the end, and that's why I'm able to give you those second, third, fourth, first.
Well, again, the question goes to why are you fishing? As far as like trying to cook the fish when it's still in rigor mortis, like
You on the podcast? You a listener?
In that back in.
number 5.
Number 5, should we dive? Yeah, thanks again for joining us on the Source podcast. Jeff the Farmer, Southeast Fishing, Cutting Room. Grab your gig, grab something on the way out to say thanks to MOTackle for having us, and yeah, get ready for your next copy of Fishing World. Thank you, Nautilus Marine as well, for getting this guy.